Hello everyone. Project is the fake image identification. It means that we find out the how much part of the image is real. Because this is the best example nowadays everyone use for the filter where we use the brightness cropping like this. So first you will have installed the library pip install pillow. Pillow is the Python library or it is used for the it perform the wide range of image like resizing, cropping or rotating. So that's why we use the pillow. Next is the from pil pillow import image where I pass the image crop and image enhance. So image means that where we use a different function in image, uh, like we open the uh, image, save the image and show also, and crop the image or rotate the image. Now, the next one is the image chop. Image chop is also contain the channel operation for the various arithmetic and logical operation like adding, blending, or calculating the pixel size in different two images. Or image enhance, it provides the image adjust attributes like brightness, contrast and color, etc. So these are the upload the library. The next one is the load the image. So this is the img path, this is the image variable name. Then I have given the path name. This is image on my desktop, and then print the image path. So it give the path of the image where it's saved. Now next one is the uh, original origin. Have taken the variable, you can take anything. Origin equal image dot open, because this is the function open image function. Then I have given the path this one, image to convert RGB, and then print the origin. So this is the image original, this is the original image. Now save the image. So I have given the temp path, means temporary path, and where I pass the path, give the path and then print it. So it show the path where it's safe. Now again we use the origin dot save, or where I give the temp path, it save in which extension save jpeg, and give the quality is equal 100. So it's working. The next one is the, now we load the image again. So compress is a variable, you can take anything. Then image dot open, which is open, which I have saved temporary path, and then print the compress. So this is the after giving the, after that it look like this. give the 100 qualities. Now next one is the calculate the ELA image. ELA stand for the error level analysis. So ELA underscore image equal image chop. Image chop is an inbuilt function. Dot difference also inbuilt, where I pass the origin is a variable name. Also compress also the variable name. This one is when I save this, reload the, and then ELA dot underscore image print. So after it find out the error, the picture, there is no any picture, it means or totally it, this is the fake image. So the next one is the enhance ELA image. So I have taken the variable enhancer, then image enhance dot brightness. I have given the dot brightness, it give the brightness, and then pass the ELA image, this one, this one, and then print the enhancer. So it give the PLA dot image enhance dot brightness, at give the brightness level is 2.44 BB brightness, and format, give the format also. Now ELA image equal enhancer, this one the enhancer, and enhance, this is the function. I have given the 70 and print the ELA image. So I give the enhancer 70, so it look like this. Okay, if I give the 90, so it give the brightness also. There is I have give the brightness, so it look the brightness of the image. If you increase your brightness, you can give the anything. I give, if I show you 100, so this brightness is look like this. So this is the 90. Now ELA, this image format, it show the array format image. So this is the height, width is give the 90 90 90, then 0 0 0 0 0. So it convert the ELA image in array format. Okay, the next one is the grayscale. So this is the variable name, then equals CV2. So CV2 is the name of the Opencv. It choose the when these create the binding generation generator. So CV2 dot CVT color, this is the inbuilt, where I pass the ELA array, and CV2 dot color underscore RGB, this is also inbuilt. So by default the color is the RGB2 2 gray, and print the gray. So it give the same 90, then 80 height and width. Now calculate the intensity. So mean intensity equal NP dot array, where I pass the gray and print the mean intensity. So mean intensity means that if there is the low intensity is low, it means the real image. If high or edited, it means then it show the fake image. So this is the intensity is 10.53. Now display the image after changing, then plt.figure, then give the figure size 12:6, subplot 1 2 1, okay, and title original image, then plt dot image show, im show, then give the original image, and plt dot axis is off. So this give the original image. Okay, now create the subplot. So plt dot subplot, where I pass the 1 comma 2 comma 2. So 1 specify the row in subplot grid, or 2 represent for the column in subplot grid, and the third is used for the index or position of the current plot. Okay, so this is the image, e- ELA image. Now simple, we use the mean value, print mean ELA intensity, print mean intensity. Mean intensity, I have told you that low intensity is means real, and high means this is the added or fake image. If then I give the condition, if mean intensity is greater than 20, print image is likely fake or added, else print image is likely real. So it give the image is likely real. If I give the less than, so it image like a fake or added. Okay, so there is, I also save the image. If you know that I have saved the image, also give the path. So this one, so it save in my desktop, because this is the path of desktop. Now I want to remove the image which is on the desktop. So it remove operate OS operating system dot remove, which remove temp path, which is I create. So it remove the image function. So this is the project about the fake image identification. Thank you.